Hi, welcome to the channel. This channel's mainly about minis. It's become a bit of a interest of mine, a bit of a hobby. I'm not a mechanic, I'm a hobbyist. I'm semi-retired pensioner in the UK. So one of the things that you'll find in our videos is we use terms like boot rather than trunk, bonnet rather than hood, etc., etc. They all boil down to the same thing at the end of the day. My channel's not about how to and trying to teach people how to do things, although there might be some things that people learn along the way if they watch the channel. It's more a kind of a documentary about my learning process and how I'm catching up with modern technology in vehicles, and how I work on various issues and problems. So like I say, it's not an instructional video, it's an interest video. Having said that, because I'm learning, if there's people out there that know minis much better than I do, then I'll always welcome constructive criticism and a little bit of help in problem solving, where I'll help me where I'm going wrong. If you would like to help support me, I'd welcome you sharing and subscribing to the channel. It'd help me get more views, and I might even be able to get a bit of income off of YouTube to pay towards my hobby. Thanks very much.